Nope, just regular double. No, I know. Just regular attack. Sorry.
No E3 in Wiffle.
No. Or says otherwise. Someone stabbed you. It was my turn. The force said no.
I'm doing this real quick. I haven't been, but I've been trying to keep it updated.
Have you been hitting the record button? Okay. See, you know how I'm having trouble with the bots? I'm trying to do a thing. We just record a core match and stop recording core match. That way I don't have to edit anything. So it's recording right now.
Good old Oakdale.
It's already recording? It's already recording?
Yeah, it's recording right now.
It's been recording for a while.
I stopped and started it right now. But yeah, it's been recording for a while.
Oh, yeah, my favorite. I
Doing it so we can get VODs easier.
What's the super bad spell? Yeah, I know. It's not best.
Good game and watch.
Okay, what's the flamethrower spell? Yeah, that one. Fire sword. Is that the big flamethrower? I'm pretty sure there's only one pyromancer that does it.
Yeah, I can see this.
Oh, usually
I love the I mean, I would do lightning for like, I never had a no. I always wanted to I'm taking a break. I wanted this for like all my life to know.
We put it this time.
better than the MCC.
Attention Smash 4! We are doing sign-ups of doubles and singles. Please sign up whenever you're ready.
There's a video on like someone like together with the
I tried to make the end of it, but like I couldn't find a good hold for it. It's arcade.
It's garbage. It's garbage. It's a million
have like a shield like this. You can He doesn't know there was a no shield.
Are you sure?
60% I might as well just dodge. Why am I moving up my head?
He's good.
I'm guessing 2S scaling. My monitor's in split.
Hold on. That hit. Oh, yeah. Stop recording on this.